Alright, so I saw a video saying that a guy dropped his iPhone 14 Pro out of the new QuadLock mag case from pocket height, he said. And the back of the glass right here, all shattered. So I figured I want to give it a shot myself. I really like QuadLock cases. I love that they added MagSafe. So I hope it's not true, but only one way to find out. I got an iPhone 14 Pro. Everything works fine. All the buttons, obviously nothing's cracked. It's brand new, maybe a week or two old. And then we've got QuadLock mag case for the 14 Pro. Just got this about a week ago. Case is in good condition, obviously, it's brand new. There we can see QuadLock, nice design, it's nice and flat now. But without further ado, let's just go ahead. We're gonna put this case on. It's a nice snap on all the four corners, so I like that. We're just gonna drop it. I think I'm gonna drop it waist height and gonna do the cameras down. All right, let's find out. That's still working. Put it under here. Take the case off. Makes a tight fit. So getting the case off, it's not easy. Sorry about that. Oops. All right, moment of truth. And look at that. Everything is fine. Case and phone, cameras, all still work. But let's not stop there. Let's see. Do a couple more angles. I'm not trying to break my phone here, but I do throw it around, and I want to make sure that, I can be confident in this case from any angle. So we'll do a screen down test now. Same thing, waist height, 6 foot, so about 3 feet up. All right. Looks fine. Screen works. Take the case off, maybe I'll get a little better at it. Look at that, it's fine. Everything about this case is fine, it's holding up. Nothing to worry about. All right. I think I want to do maybe one more drop. Actually, I'll do 2 more. I'm gonna do one just like this. You pull it out of your pocket, just drop it. There we go, get a nice little bounce to it. All right, that's all working. Let's take the case off. All right, as we're seeing, I don't know if this guy just had a freak accident with the way he was dropping it, and maybe some people were saying in the comments it hit the corner of the camera, like around here, and then it spread out. Again, I don't know how, because you have this lip, so they should be protected, but if he had hit a rock or something, maybe. I really don't know. But, I mean, everything is working fine on this phone, and that's what I don't want this thing to break. I want this case to work fine, and I want to be just like my other QuadLock cases where they've flown off a motorcycle going 80 miles an hour, and the phone has been just fine. So, I'm going to do one more. I'm just going to toss it in the air. I mean, this is how I treat my phone. Right on the back. I think that's at crash detection. But let's see here. Okay, cameras are fine. if this didn't break it, I don't know what happened with that guy, but I will have full confidence in the QuadLock mag cases for the phones. Look at that. Completely fine. No cracks. No scuffs. This works fine. Cameras work fine. And the case got a little bit here. Let me see if I can get a better view for that. A little bit of damage. And obviously, I don't know what drop that's from. But all in all, I'm very happy. So I would trust, as you just saw, my iPhone 14 Pro in a QuadLock mag case. I think you guys probably should too, but that's just my opinion.